Wildlife conservation is crucial to preserving our planet's biodiversity. Protecting endangered species is one of the most important things we can do to ensure a sustainable future. Robotto is working with the WWF to create drone solutions that help park rangers protect endangered wildlife and count species for biodiversity research and protection. Our drone solutions make it easier to monitor wildlife populations and ensure their survival. Our solutions include herd tracking with drones, which helps monitor and protect wildlife herds. With real-time data, we can track herd movements and prevent human-wildlife conflicts. Our solutions make it easier to gather data that can be used for wildlife census and protection. With our drone technology, we can quickly and accurately count wildlife populations and ensure their long-term survival. Our drone solutions have helped park rangers protect endangered species more effectively. Hear from them about how our solutions are making a difference.
Our collaboration with Robotto has been truly remarkable. Together, we've developed custom solutions that integrate their fast-evolving drone and AI technology with our conservation initiatives. This partnership has allowed us to gather precise data and monitor threatened ecosystems in real time, greatly enhancing our ability to protect biodiversity and take targeted actions.
Visit our website to learn more about Robotto and our solutions for protecting endangered wildlife and preserving our planet's biodiversity.